Hi friends, there are three aspects very important to life. That is soft skills number 1, communicative English number 2, and mental health number 3. We have been learning about all the three aspects. I am going to explain some of the aspects through this video, and I want you people to understand these aspects clearly. I am not going very in depth in a very technical way. I am going to tell this in a layman's language, which you may be able to understand. Many people ask me, Sir, can you train English through Tamil? Can you train English through Hindi? Actually, you can learn English only through English. For example, just think when you were a child, you might have started talking your mother tongue, isn't it? So when you have started to learn your mother tongue, when you were a kid, that is when you were 2 years, 3 years old, whatever your mother spoke with you, did you understand? No, no. What you did? You tried to understand and you learned the mother tongue, isn't it? Now, the simple question is, when you were a child, you had the motivation, you had the interest, and you had every aspects to go to the next level. But now you are having friends, you are having YouTube, you are having all the facilities, but you want to learn English through either Tamil or Hindi or Kannada. That means I have lost that motivation, isn't it? So I want you to regain the same motivation now and try to understand whatever I am going to tell. Okay, team? So when we think about language, when we think about language, every language, whether it is a Tamil, English, Hindi, Kannada, Urdu, Malayalam, any language, it is having two sounds. The sound is called vowel sounds and consonant sounds. The vowel sounds, in Tamil we call it as uyireluthu, in consonant we call it as meyyeluthu. Vowel sounds we call it as swar in Hindi. Now let us try to understand what is this vowel sounds. Okay, what is vowel sound? Vowel sounds are speech sounds. It is a speech sound. Okay, it is a speech sound made without blocking the airflow. When I am talking, the airflow is coming now. From here the airflow starts. Without stopping the airflow, without controlling the airflow, without blocking the airflow from the mouth, the sound comes out smoothly and freely. For example, a, I, u, e, o, au. Now, when you see this, the sound comes freely. The sound comes naturally, smoothly. There is no block. There is no block. These kind of sounds are called vowel sounds. And these kind of sounds are available in all the languages. Vowel sounds are available in English, Tamil, Hindi, Kannada, Urdu, in all the languages. The sounds are same, but only the symbol differs. The way in which you specify the sound differs. That is, a symbol differs, but the sound is same in all the languages. Now let us try to understand the next one, that is consonant sound. Consonant sounds are again speech sounds. It is also a speech sound made by blocking the airflow or restricting the airflow using lips, tongue, teeth or throat. By using the lip, tongue, teeth and throat, we try to either restrict the airflow or block the airflow and we produce sounds. Those sounds are called consonant sounds. For example, in Tamil and Hindi, we have many sounds. For example, yam, yen. What happens to the air? Yam. The sound is completely blocked, isn't it? T. 30% sound is going inside, the balance going outside. So we are controlling the air movement, and when we produce sound, those sounds are called consonant sound. And these consonant sounds are available in all the languages. The sounds are same in all the languages. As I told you, it is same in English, Tamil, Urdu, and whatever may be the language. Now, when we look at the sounds, as I told you, sounds are same. For example, a sound is same, but the way in which we represent in the language, that differs. For example, this is how we tell a in Hindi. This is how we tell a in Tamil. This is how we tell a in other languages. Okay. Now this a sound, it is available in all the languages, and it is represented in different ways, but the sounds are same in all the languages. In English, the sound a is produced by many syllables. That is why actually English is different from Hindi or Tamil. Hindi and Tamil, you can speak the way in which you write. Whatever you write, you will be able to read. Whatever you read, you will be able to write. Whatever you tell, you can write. For example, Vandain, you can write Va, in, de, in. Vandain, you can write. Ka, ta, hu. Ka, ta, hu. You can write. The way in which you talk, you will be able to write. But English, it is not like that. Whatever you talk, you cannot write. For example, RUB becomes a rub. The word available is U actually. So U is a vowel symbol. It is not it is a syllable. U is a syllable which produces the vowel sound R, rub. R is a consonant. R is a consonant. U is a vowel symbol. U is a vowel symbol. B is a consonant. Now the U, the vowel symbol, it gives the sound of ah. So English is completely different. That is why it is called a phonetic language. We give more preference to sounds in English. Okay, team. Now let us see these all these aspects in little bit in depth way. For example, if you see in Hindi, this is called short vowels, isn't it? A. In Tamil, it is called a. So this sound a, it is available in Hindi also and Tamil also. E. Okay. Now, these all are called short vowel in English. Okay. In Hindi, you call it as choti matra. In Tamil, we call it as kuril, isn't it? We call it as kuril. This a, e, u, a, o, these all are the things we call it as kuril in Tamil. The same sounds in Hindi, we call it as choti matra. A, e, u, a, o. These all are the sounds. In Tamil, we call it as nedil. In Hindi, we call it as badi matra. Now, the same sounds are available in English. The same sounds, these all are the sounds are produced by the syllables A, E, I, O, U. So, the syllable A, E, I, O, U produces all these sounds. Hope it is understood. Now, let us see little bit in depth. Now, the simple aspect is, the English language is having total 44 sounds, that is phonemes. Out of these 44, there are 20 vowel sounds and there are 24 consonant sounds. And I have written something here. Sir, what is this, sir? Don't worry. We need not go very deep into the grammar. Okay. The simple thing what you have to remember is, in English, we are having 20 vowel sounds. The 20 vowel sounds are produced by the syllable A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. Again, I repeat, the vowel sounds 20 is produced by the syllable A, E, I, O, U. So what are the vowel sounds? The vowel sounds which are available in Tamil and Hindi. What are it? A, I, U, E, O. These all are the vowel sounds which is produced by A, E, I, O, U. So let us not very deeply go into the 20 sounds. Let us try to understand through the mother tongue. That is A, I, U, E, O. Now, when you look at all these things, what do you feel? That is, I have written so many aspects. Okay. So you may be thinking, oh my God, it's very simple. In English, vowels are the letters that represent specific open sounds made without closing the mouth, as I told you earlier, or blocking airflow. Without blocking airflow, we make sounds. The main vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. So it is only letters, it is not vowel. A, E, I, O, U are letters or syllables which produce 20 vowel sounds. The 20 vowel sounds are A, I, U, E, O, and the combinations. Okay. Now, let us try to understand this in a very easy way. So don't worry. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay. Now, for example, let us take the word duck. D-U-C-K. Now, D is a consonant. Okay. It's a consonant sound. U, A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel syllable. C is consonant sound and K is consonant sound. See, we know very well that we have to tell this as duck. Now, when you tell duck, you are able to see the vowel sound, ah. The ah sound, you are able to understand that duck. You say and see duck, ah sound comes. Calm. C is consonant sound. A is a vowel syllable. L is a vowel consonant syllable. M is a consonant syllable. C is also a consonant syllable. Now these syllables, okay, here A is a vowel syllable which produces the sound ah. Calm. You are able to understand now? Now let us take the word sit. We don't read this as sight, isn't it? This is I. Do we read it as a sight? No. We read this as sit. So S is a consonant syllable. T is a consonant syllable. I, it is called actually diphthong in English. Let us not go very deeper. Okay, let us take it's a vowel. Okay, let us keep it as vowel here. People from English language, the literature people may tell, no, Shivakumar, you are teaching wrong. Keep it simple. Okay, why we have to break our head? For us, it is a vowel. Okay, and if anybody wants to fight with me, come and fight with me in the Facebook. Okay, E, sit. Here, E sound, you are able to understand the E sound as sit, E, sit, E. Now the same thing, S is consonant, T is a consonant, E and A are vowel syllable which creates the sound E, seat. You are able to understand now? Now, for these two words, I want you people to write only two, took and tool. I will explain you very clearly. For example, let us take the word here. Okay, the word is took. Okay, in took, T is a consonant syllable, K is a consonant syllable, O and wo. These two words, it produces the sound oo. The sound is oo. This is a vowel sound it produces. We call it as took. It is a short vowel sound. In Tamil, this is called kuril. In Hindi, it is called choti matra. Isn't it? Now let us go to the word tool. T consonant syllable. L consonant syllable. Oo. The vowel syllable is wo. It produced as a syllable woo. Woo. Okay. This in Tamil we call it as needle. This in Hindi we call it as badi matra. In English we call it as long vowel. Okay. So simple. You need not bother about anything. The only thing hereafter what you have to do is just try to use the long vowel as a long vowel, short vowel as a short vowel. When people read, they read just a floor. Like this they read. So your language has to be like this. I want to meet you. No, I want to meet you. I like to go to Mumbai. No, I like to go to Mumbai. Go. So wherever the long vowel comes, long vowel. Wherever the short vowel comes, short vowel. Sir, how to find out this is short vowel or long vowel? Don't break your head. Whatever you say, that is long vowel. Whatever you say, that is short vowel. Try to practice like that. When you get a doubt, use ChatGPT. Nowadays, ChatGPT gives you everything. Go to ChatGPT. For example, put the word cut. Ask what is the vowel syllable available here. The ChatGPT will tell. Very simple. And don't break your head. The simple thing is, understand this and start talking with people in English and try to read and talk. That will only will help you to talk spontaneously in English. Team. Thank you very much. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe, put a like. Don't forget to put a like. Okay, and subscribe. And this is our website, www.emocare.co.in and www.gtcco.org. And you can always reach to me in this phone number. And Emocare is into mental health. We conduct many training programs in life coaching. It is a very good field wherein you can make money. Today, the world needs health coaches. Today, the world needs mindfulness coaches. Today, the world needs the relationship coaches. So, we train the people to become internationally certified life coaches. And we also do training related to counseling. That is 8 months a diploma in counseling wherein we train 40 therapies complete in a practical way. Apart from that, through GTCCO, Global Trainers, Coaches and Counselors Organization, we conduct the soft skill training programs and spoken English training programs. And also, if you are conducting any kind of training program, you can become a member in GTCCO and the certificate will be issued by GTCCO. So thank you very much, team. If you need any clarification, kindly get in touch with this number. Okay. Kindly get in touch with this number. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.